public concern affecting the livelihood of traditional Goan flower vendors at Mapsa Municipal Market. For the past 35 to 40 years, many local families have been engaged in the retail flower business at the Mapsa Market, contributing not only to the local economy but also to the cultural and religious fabric of the state. However, since the last few years, non-Goans have started carrying out illegal wholesale flowers trade within the same retail market premises. This unauthorized wholesale activities has led to unfair competition, sharp decline in the income of local vendors, displacement of the traditional Goan families from their rightful space in the market. I urge the government to kindly give justice to our local flower vendors. Because
Yes.
sir, हा मुद्दाम मागता की ह्या फ्लावर वेंडर थंय होलसेल करतात. आता कसं सांगलें जी फुलां आसा ती रस्त्यार विकता आनी भितूर कोण येना. सो हांव मागता मुखेलमंत्र्याक त्यांची एश्युरन्स
Yes.
दिवचे
श्री-
की हांकां न्याय मेळोवन दितलो आनी अशें होलसेल जो रस्त्यार करता
हांगा
हांगा
जर हांव पुलिशेक इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिता हे होलसेल भायले घेवन जे रस्त्यार बसता पळय न्ही त्या सगळ्यांचे सीज कर म्हणून.
येस
हांकां रिटेल मार्केट आसा तो स्पेसिफिकली तेकाच रिटेलाकूच दवरपाचो दुसऱ्याक होलसेल करपाचो